Ladies and gentlemen, just like that, we are back in the red. It's currently 10:30 a.m. on the East Coast, and we have the S&P 500 down 1.7%. We have the Nasdaq down 2%. We have the Russell down 2.2%, and we have the Dow down 1.2%, with the VIX up over 11%. So we have to break down what the markets are doing so far today, stocks I'm looking at, and overall what I'm looking to do. So if you all find value, hit the like button, subscribe. Make sure to join my Patreon if you want all my buys, sells, call outs, morning update videos, private Discord access, plus more. That's on Patreon, link down below. And you guys could also get 5 stocks from Moomoo, each of which are valued up to $3,500. All you have to do is use my link, deposit $100, and we get some free stocks. Again, all of that is linked down below. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So what we're looking at here is Google stock, which I'm watching like a freaking hawk right now because I'm in a short-term Google position, and I'm up about $50, give or take a couple bucks per share here, as I did buy yesterday at about $2,515 per share. And it seems like as of now, Google is trying to continue this little uptrend that we can see here on the intraday chart that started yesterday. It ended up, you guys can see it ended up running up aggressively into the close yesterday. Now we're fighting to break out again, so I'm keeping a very close eye on it, like I said. And when it comes to the overall markets, let's break down SPY. Let's see what's going on here with the S&P 500. We can see on the 4-hour chart, we are trading between a distinct window. Let's see here on the 20-day chart. You might be able to see it actually. Maybe on the 10-day chart, if I zoom in a bit. Actually, this all looks weird. Hold on. 5-day chart. There we go. 5-day chart. You guys can see we're trading between 425 and about 435, 440, right? This 5, 10, 15 point window is where SPY is at right now. And we did get some buyers at about, if I show you this intraday chart, why does this look so wonky today, guys? Oh, I know why. It's because of this one-off candle where it dropped all the way to 364, which is a bunch of BS. I don't know what's going on there. And now it recovered. So try and bear with me here, guys. We didn't actually go to 364 on SPY, but it shows that here on the intraday chart for some reason. Anyway, we got down to about 427 again today, which was a point yesterday where we held multiple times throughout the day. We hit 427. Now we're seeing some buying pressure pushing this thing back up towards 435, which is great. Now we're trading above 430, and that's why I have my alert at 435, because in my opinion, if we take that point out, which is also, it happens to be the intraday high for today, 435, if we break out of there, this might be going 440, maybe even higher. And you guys know at this point, 440 is a big level of resistance, not only from yesterday, but also from a couple of months ago back in the beginning of October. So keep your eyes on 440. 435 on the upside for SPY, and on the downside, I would say watch out for 427, 430 roughly. That's going to be very important. And for Triple Q, which tracks the Nasdaq 100, let's see what's going on here. You guys can see clearly this, if I pull up the 20-day chart, unlike SPY, this chart looks normal, right? Because we didn't get that one-off, dump all the way down like we saw with SPY, which was obviously, I don't know what you want to call it, a glitch, manipulation. I don't know what you want to call that. But what we're noticing here on Triple Q is a rally yesterday. We obviously remember that. We rallied to about 350 at close, 353 to be exact. And now we're down about $7-8. We're trading at 345. We're under the critical 350 level of support. We're getting rejected by the 50 moving average on this 20-day chart. And it's currently fighting to see, it's trying to fight and break out. Look at this, guys. Triple Q did find an intraday bottom at about 342 as of now. Now we're seeing a lot of buying pressure. We went from 342. Now we're trying to break back over 346. We are over 346. So if this starts taking us towards the intraday high, which is at about 348, 348.50, and we even break that point, we may be going higher on the day. And you guys know the 2-day Fed meeting starts today, right? And it's obviously going into tomorrow since it's a 2-day meeting, right? And we have Jerome Powell, speaking tomorrow. So I'm going to put my alert at 348.50. We're going to be watching that level here on Triple Q. And let's go back to Google. Oh, wow, look at that red candle now kicking in on Triple Q. That's not the best sign here for the bulls. This is a sign that we're trying to potentially dump back down. So let's see here. Let's go back to Google, see what's going on here. This is also trying to dump down a bit. I might set a trailing stop on this, guys, because again, I got in at 25.15. I'm still up about 40-something shares, or $40 per share. And I don't want to go back in the red or go into the red in the first place. So I'm going to protect my gains on this, and I'll probably set that after this video, the trailing stop. We'll see how that ends up going down. But overall, the markets are looking interesting now. VIX is up over 12%. We're fighting to see some sort of reversal on the intraday chart, but we're not getting it quite yet. That's kind of what I'm waiting for, or just watching out for. We'll see if the markets end up giving us that. Who the heck knows, right? And when it comes to different stocks here on my watch list, lo and behold, DWAC, the Trump SPAC, is the only, one of the 3 only green stocks on my watch list, which is funny. I mean, this stock, or this SPAC, isn't it kind of, I don't want to say it's a joke, but it's funny, when we see a lot of turmoil in the markets, a lot of red, it's funny how a lot of the BS stocks end up going up on these days. Look, DWAC's up 6%. It looks like it's holding the uptrend. It broke back over 66. Now we're above 70. This might have legs. This rally could go up to 78, $80 for all we know, right? Which is the next gap that could fill here. GameStop. What the heck, guys? What did I say? GameStop is like, it's like an inverse ETF to the markets. GameStop is up today. Not a lot. It's not up a lot, but it is up 0.5, 0.6%, which is freaking hilarious. And it's still well on a downtrend. It's not breaking out or anything like that, but it is. It's up. It's up. You can't deny it. It's back over $100, where yesterday it was at $86 per share. And we had a bunch of earnings reports this morning. I don't want to break all of those down in this video because we did talk about all of those in my morning video, which I do make morning update videos every single day on Patreon. If you do sign up for the GOAT tier, right? The GOAT tier. That is where I make my morning update video. So check it out. Link down below if you guys want to check that out. And let's see here. What other stocks are moving? We have Upwork down 5%. And it's interesting. Today, we're seeing a red day overall. Again, the Russell, the Nasdaq, all of these are down over 2%. But it's interesting because a lot of my stocks, at least on my watch list here, and by the way, I don't own all of these stocks. In fact, I own a small fraction of all the stocks on my watch list. But it's funny. Look, all of these are down. Actually, let me see. You can't even see it. First and foremost, let me move this. On my watch list, no stock is down over 5%. That's interesting because yesterday we saw stocks down 15+%, 10+% when the markets were, we did have more bleeding yesterday, more red, but it's kind of a similar market where there's turmoil, a lot of volatility. But today it's just we're not selling off as aggressively. That is something worth mentioning in terms of individual stocks. Look, PayPal's only down 3.5%, Snap's down 3%, SoFi is only down 2%, Google's only down 2%, Starbucks is down 1.8%, Smith & Wesson 1.7%, we have JD down 0.6%, we have GameStop up, like I said, Macy's up 2% again after having a great day yesterday. What else? Visa's up. Or actually, Visa's down 1.5%. And if you guys want to go and do some research on the companies that did report earnings today, let me drop those right here for you all. And again, I'm not going to break them down in this video because I don't want this video to be too long, but I will let you know so you can go do your own due diligence on these. We had J&J report. let's quickly run through and see how they're doing. J&J's up over 1% now. We had RTX Raytheon report. This one's down 1%. We had Lockheed Martin report. This one's up 0.5%, and I'd be watching this for a breakout above 380, guys. I think if we do break out of there, Lockheed could start going 400. We had Verizon report this morning. Let's see what this is doing. This one's down about 1%. We had American Express report, which is ticker symbol AXP. This one's up 8%, so this one's absolutely ripping. They did well. They had a double beat. So go check out AXP. 3M reported. I know, a boomer company, a boomer stock. This is down 1.2%. And we also had GE, the mother of all boomer companies. They reported, and they are down over 7%. They're looking to take out the lows from a couple of weeks ago. So markets are interesting here, guys. We're going to be making a bunch of videos over the next couple of days because these are interesting times. We have the Fed meeting tomorrow. We have inflation. We have a lot going on with geopolitics that we're not going to get into in this video, but there's just a lot going on. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, join my Patreon if you want all my moves in the markets, my buys, sells, call outs, morning update videos, Discord access, all that is on Patreon, link down below. And you guys could also get 5 stocks from Moomoo. All you have to do is use my link, deposit $100, and you can get up to 5 stocks from Moomoo, valued up to $3,500 each. So get your free money, join the Patreon. All of that's down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching as always. Keep crushing the markets. Stay safe out there. Peace out, guys.